Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Hyundai Kona can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by lowering our exhaust to make room for the hitch. Use exhaust hanger pliers to remove 2 rubber isolators. There will be one on either side. We are now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend you get a second set of hands to support the hitch while you insert the hardware. Raise the hitch until it is flush against the frame and all the mounting locations are aligned. You are now ready to install the hardware. There will be 3 sets on each side of the vehicle. There will be a conical tooth washer that you will place on the bolt with the teeth facing up. Always install hardware hand tight till all hardware is in the vehicle before tightening and torquing. We are now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications. Using our torque wrench, we will likely want a short extension and a 17mm socket. We will begin first with our 2 vertical bolts to get the hitch flush to the frame, and then move on to the 4 side bolts. You can now raise the exhaust back into place. Use soapy water if needed to make this easier. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches. From the ground to the inside of the top of the receiver is 14 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.